Hi Taurus, and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of November is going to be for you, your health, relationship, and almost all the aspects of your life. So this month, the month of November, seems like it is coming as a relief, and whatever situation that you were going on through, whatever burden that you had on your heart, whatever stress that you were undergoing, it is time when you are going to get relieved from that, and you're going to move towards calmer waters from all those disturbances. I see celebration on your cards, I see travel on your cards, I see manifestation on your cards, and the most important, I see growth on your cards by the end of the month, and also opening up on your cards, so connections and connecting with divine. So overall your reading is pretty good, your cards are very good, so let's just begin from your health. From your health perspective, I don't see many problems in your health area, but I would suggest you that one, take care of your diet. So take care of the food that you're eating, especially if you're eating from outside. Take care of that food. Second, if you've been having any trouble with your heart or cholesterol, this month, though you're moving towards balance, you're moving towards betterment and improvement in your health, but you still need to take care of your heart health and still need to take care of what you're eating, and how much you're resting and taking care of yourself. Other than that, I don't see many health issues coming on your cards. For emotional health, I kind of see that for many of you, you might feel blindfolded, stuck, but that will only happen if you're not thinking with clarity, if you're thinking about too many things, if you're thinking about problems, if you're thinking what is not working out. If you focus on what is happening in your life, how the growth is happening, how the things are working, and if you're open to receive things, then this month is going to be very good for your emotional health as well, because your intuition will start developing if it's not already has. If we talk about your wealth or money, the card is Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles is money flow. Page of Pentacles is thinking about your money. Where do you invest your money? What do you do with your money? So money flow definitely will be there. For your investments, I would tell you that, and there is a possibility that you might be looking for investments. There's a possibility you might be evaluating investments. Two things that you need to take care of. One, invest with priority, invest knowing where you're investing, and not go for people or situations or things that can actually turn out to be fake and not true, because this says all that glitters is not gold. So be wise while taking decisions, evaluate well, do your research well, and then make a decision. Second, very important, don't make a decision when you're feeling blindfolded. Don't make a decision with regards to money when you're not clear about it. These are the two things that you need to take care of, and ultimately you'll have growth. Wherever you put your money, you'll have growth if you are positive and if you actually do it with open eyes and evaluating well. A lot of you are going to be spending on celebrations. That's another thing that I kind of see on your cards. For your love or relationships, I see relationships turning into marriage. So marriage is a big possibility on the cards. Second, baby birth is another big possibility on the cards, because I see celebration happening, and I see Empress is always about motherhood or a parenthood, and that's kind of there, and I've been seeing it for Taurans from a while now. So I think that's still another good month for parenthood. Also, for relationships, if something was not working out in your relationship, you were thinking that somebody has betrayed you or somebody has done something wrong with you, you didn't have the clarity as to if the person is right or not wrong, and you're thinking on all aspects, all possible things about life, some clarity will come your way. Somebody will help you open that lock, somebody will help you open that conversation, and when that opens up, major possibility it is going to be settling down for positive. So whatever doubts you have in your mind might just turn out to be nothing at all, and you guys settle down together again. If it is also, because I kind of see Two of Wands card, there is a possibility that you choose who you would want to be with and who you would want to leave. That's another possibility, that with Six of Swords you might just leave a situation that was not working out for you, that was a burden on heart, and then you finally move towards celebrating your life, doing something for your own growth, doing something for your own happiness. That's another possibility. For relationships, people who have already married or in a relationship or with the family, I kind of see them taking a holiday, though I would not suggest a holiday in COVID times, but it looks like they are going to go for a holiday, and it's going to be good for them. But yeah, when you eat from outside, please take care of yourself. If we talk about job and career, it looks like in the beginning of the month some opportunity is coming your way, a growth is coming your way. All the locks that were closed from a while are going to open now, and when they open up, there will be new possibilities that will come out, that will come into the open, and you'll be able to. Work related travel is something that I see on your cards. If you don't have a job is something that I see on your cards. The only thing that I would tell you is, one, if you keep feeling that there is nothing, or there are too many things to do, it's not true, it might not be right, there are so many things on your mind, and you're feeling blindfolded, and you're feeling that you're stuck, then you will be stuck. And that is why you have to let go of that feel of being stuck. And if anything comes to your mind, in your life, any opportunity comes to you which doesn't look like very real, do your research well. If you do your research well, there shouldn't be anything to be worried about, because ultimately there will be growth. For people in business, because like I said, all that glitters is not gold. Just be careful who you are believing, and don't believe in anyone, or don't put your money anywhere without researching well. That's one thing that I would tell you. If you research well, you will see possibilities opening up. For people who want to go to study or pick up further study, this is a very positive month. You can do that as well. For your soul growth or soul path, I see intuition working out, developing for you, and I see your guides and angels trying to connect with you. And when I see that, they are going to connect with you through dreams. So this month, dreams are going to be very important for you, and whatever dream comes, please note it down. The moment you wake up, you'll remember your dream when you wake up, and after a few minutes you'll forget it. So the moment you wake up, write it down somewhere, voice record it on your phone. We always have phone close by. Voice record it on your phone, and then later on, either write it down or just listen to it and see what happened, what was the message in the dream, and how your day went along. And you can do it for 2, 3, 4 days regularly, just to start learning to decode the messages that you're getting in your dreams. But somewhere your intuition is developing, your guides and angels are connecting with you, and then there is a growth that is coming your way. If you start focusing on that, if you start focusing on your dreams or your intuition, if you start receiving, the growth is immense, because you'll be on your soul path. Just the only problem is that, because I see 8 of Swords, I see you not really getting in touch with reality, and feeling, a lot of you feeling stuck from within. That's one thing that you will have to stop doing, because if you see, though she's blindfolded and she's tied up, behind her there is no sword, so there is no cage behind her. There is a house. If she kind of screams, somebody will hear her and get her the help. So it is basically how we feel in a situation, not necessarily the situation is like that. So that's one thing that you need to take care of. For your chakra of the month, the chakra is crown chakra, and this is the 3rd reading that I am doing, but continuously judgment card is coming for every reading, and that means that there is an announcement that is going to happen worldwide, and that announcement is going to somehow impact our lives. These things or these changes are going to somehow impact our lives, but because for you I see a lot of positive cards, there's nothing negative about it, so you don't have to be worried about it. Also, the crown chakra is located here, top of the head, and like I said, your guides angels are connecting with you. It's very important for you to receive. It's very important for you to move forward, and that's why just saying that I'm open to receive, I'm open to connect with my guides and angels, just focusing on your crown chakra and just doing a silent meditation, or just chanting with your tongue touching the upper palate. So that's going to be very helpful for you. Please do that this month. For your mental exercise of the month, the card is adventure. It's Page of Pentacles. It's the same card. So it says that be ready to connect with your intuition, be ready to receive, be ready to go on to the new adventures of your life, because anything that is changing, anything that is requiring you to travel, move, is for your good. So be open for that, and you can just say that I'm ready to receive everything that is meant for me. I'm ready to receive all the growth. I'm ready to go to unknown, because I know it is for my best. Growth, abundance, everything is flowing into my life every day, and it is every day is better than the last day. So do that every day for this month, because I think receiving and moving towards something new, connecting with your intuition, is going to be very, very beneficial this month for you. one thing that you need to take care of for the whole month. This is Ace of Cups. This is the card of receiving. This is the card of opening up. This is the card of crown chakra, and that is why it is important to open up to receive. It is important to not feel blinded by your emotions, rather just be connected with your emotions and know that everything is working out for your good. If you do that, this month is going to give you beautiful results. When I took out angel cards, the first card that I got was Queen of Michaels. It's Queen of Swords, and this card says you know exactly what to do, the benefit of experience, the time for your career rather than your relationships. And this is the card of brilliant, self-reliant, insightful, humorous. So this is a card which says that you know where to move, you know everything, and you are actually moving. If you do all these things, you are going to move towards much more growth, where you'll not only be connected with your own self, where you'll not only be able to see your own life but help others also see. So this is one. And then the other card that I got was King of Raphael, and King of Raphael is King of Cups. It says yes, it is safe to trust the ability to accomplish many things at once. Follow your creative passions. And yes, it is safe to trust. The cards are saying move ahead, and if you move ahead with confidence, if you move ahead knowing that everything is going to work out for you, you will see that growth coming into your life, and you will see making accomplishments this month, and then growth is definitely there. So just believe in yourself. The number of the month is going to be number 3. Color of the month, any shade of purple, any shade of white, golden is going to be good for you. If you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the comment section. You just write I need a reading, and I will share my number with you. And also like the video, share the video with everyone that you can, and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it yet. There are a lot of videos on my channel about different things, positivity, how to keep your home positive, and so many other things. So just go through the playlist, you'll find something. If you're interested in learning tarot, or if you're interested in learning about the soul, there are 2 series that I've started. One is about soul growth, one is about tarot reading. So you can go through them, and they will help you learn and move forward. I will see you with the next month's prediction. Till then, enjoy this month and move ahead with confidence. Everything is going to be good for you. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.